Pleased to show you the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.